It is now 7 o'clock and we are now on our way to dinner. I'm gonna show you guys how strong the snow is. I don't know if you guys can see that, but the snow is wild. I don't think I was ready for snow this heavy. When they say snow is romantic,
It's overrated.
snow is overrated. My gosh, it's like really cold rain. Everything's cold, everything gets wet. We made it to this restaurant called Kurika, Kurika. It was just a 5-minute walk away from our hotel. And they were so full house, katabi ko na yung door. I was watching videos on TikTok that when you go into a restaurant, you're not supposed to ask for the English menu because sometimes they change the prices. So we cross-checked with this one. The prices were the same, and at first she gave me a Chinese menu because she thought that we were from Taiwan. She got it right though, she knew that I was Chinese. We got one glass of beer to share. Really good, no alcohol burp after. Yeah, the weather is getting wild. If you can see the stuff outside, they're already waving in the wind. Excited for our food. The first thing that came was the assorted raw fish. There was salmon, tuna, mackerel, squid, and like some scallop. The wasabi that it came with, super syrup. It was freshly ground. Out of all of the raw fish, the winner was definitely the tuna. And then the grilled mackerel came. I wasn't really expecting much from a grilled fish, pero sobrang sarap. Simply cooked fish, but you really taste it. No sauce, no seasoning, just the ingredient itself was so good. And then after a little while, our steak came. Both of us got surprised with how big it was. For those of you who like fatty beef, lasang-lasa talaga siya. It was so soft, really melts in your mouth texture. And it came with fries. The fries weren't greasy, they weren't oily, they were just nice and crispy. The steak came with this sauce, but the sauce was yummy that I ended up eating it with the fish also. According to Stephen, there was ginger, soy sauce, scallion, maybe a little bit of mirin or sugar.
Are you gonna buy
And then it was time to eat everything.
so good?
We are done and we have completely demolished this meal.
Easy.
All gone. The real thing we have to figure out right now is how are we going to go home because the snow got harder. There is now a blanket of snow on top of all of the cars and the wind factor.
Worth it yung pagkain.
It took us 5 minutes lang naman to get.
Bilis lang.
Yeah.
Bilis lang.
Pero yung payong as in wala na. Baliktad.
Ano?
What's your grand total?
8,800 yen.
8,800 yen. So how much is that in peso?
More or less 4K.
Not bad. Did you see the steak? And the and the quality of the everything.
Talo Wolfgang.
Talo everything. No, baby, no name drop.
Ay, sorry bro. I-bleep mo yan.
Food was so good. Ang hirap kasi mag-recommend sa Philippines. Because, our takeouts here. We have more food. Hirap kasi mag-recommend in the Philippines because a lot of people will say, hindi naman masarap, blah, 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 blah. So, we'll recommend na lang here in Tokyo.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Okay, so this is our view right now, and this is how thick the snow has gotten, and I'm only in Converse. Cold. Baka pagbalik natin sa hotel, Cebu na lang
Sebo
yun.
na yan. Sebo.
I feel like I have to focus on walking because may poly. Oh my god. Kaya pa? Kaya. Anyway, I feel like I have to focus on walking because the wind is really getting bad and the ground is getting super duper slippery. So I will get back to you guys in a bit.